An increase in depression is common this time of year, but a recent approval by the Federal Communications Commission could offer a new weapon in that fight. Chelsea Withers joining us now in the newsroom with a closer look at a new suicide hotline that's been proposed and has cleared a major hurdle. Chelsea?
Sean, that's right. We were all taught at a young age, call 911 for any sort of emergency. But now there's a new 3-digit number you can call for a mental health emergency.
988, a number that will look to help those who are battling a mental illness.
Well, it definitely brings awareness to suicide prevention. As the numbers advertise more, it will also help people have more conversation about it, maybe take away some of the stigma about talking about suicide.
If someone were to seek help now, they could call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline, which is a 10-digit number. The idea is that a 3-digit number will be easier to remember.
For anyone to remember just 3 digits instead of having to have internet access, Google a number, know which number to pick, this can streamline them getting help and just make it super simple.
And could help bring light to an often dark place.
One of the things that can be most difficult when somebody is depressed is to reach out for help. And it can feel very isolating this time of year, but please do not hesitate to reach out and ask somebody and tell them how you're feeling.
One expert went on to explain how initiatives for suicide prevention aren't limited to one group of people.
The services are also for everyday people who aren't diagnosed with a mental illness, people who may think they have some depression, but maybe they think, oh, it's not as bad as someone else they know, but it's still important for them to reach out and get help from any one of the mental health providers in Erie.
Right now, the FCC is seeking public comment for the number, so it could take up to 18 months to go into effect. Sean?
Chelsea Withers in the newsroom tonight.